Do you know that anything that will be successful in life requires it be done step by step? That is why for a speaker or writer to be successful in writing an argumentative essay, the following steps should be taken. Step 1. Write a title. If you are asked to either oppose or support the motion of a topic, civilian rule is better than military rule. You should construct or reconstruct the topic while opposing the motion, as in military rule is better than a civilian rule. That's if you're opposing the topic. Step 2, write an introduction. Two crucial things should be done here. First, greetings of your audience from the most important person to the least. Okay, introduction to the topic to decide and tell the audience on the side you agree on, state it clearly. Step 3, write the definition of the concepts. There is need for a defining paragraph for the motion to be clarified, especially if it is not straightforward before the audience. The definition may favor your side. In this lesson, we have learned some steps in writing a good argumentative essay, namely the title, the introduction, the definition of concepts used. We'll continue to learn more in our next lesson. See you next time.